Hello bachcho, the question says is four choices have been provided, select the correct alternative. A hot body at temperature theta 1 is mixed with a cold body at temperature theta 2, both having the same heat capacity such that the rise in temperature of cold body is equal to the fall in temperature of hot body. The resultant temperature theta is. Here, the key concept for the question is principle of calorimetry, which states that the heat lost by a body is equal to the heat gained by the other body when they are in contact with each other. Thus, heat loss by hot body is equals to heat gain by cold body. The formula of heat is mass times of heat capacity times of change in temperature. So here change in temperature is constant, specific heat capacity is constant. Basically heat capacity is amount of heat energy required to change the temperature of a body by 1 degree Celsius, and specific is basically heat capacity for 1 gram of mass. So यूनिट मास बेसिकली उसके लिए हम बोल देते हैं स्पेसिफिक हीट कैपेसिटी. तो यहाँ पर अगर हमारा मास 1 ग्राम है तो हमारा C इज टर्म्ड एज स्पेसिफिक हीट कैपेसिटी, और अगर हम मास को स्पेसिफाई नहीं कर रहे हैं तो दैट विल बी हीट कैपेसिटी. So this is our formula, and C constant, change in temperature is constant, and by the principle of calorimetry the heat loss is equals to heat gain, so the amount of heat is also constant. So अब हमारा पूरी इक्वेशन में सिर्फ मास रह गया है, तो मास will also constant here for the colder and hot body. Now the heat loss by the hot body is equals to mass times of heat capacity times of change in temperature. Hotter body will have the higher temperature, that is theta 1. उसको हम resultant temperature से minus कर देंगे. That will be the temperature of heat loss, and the mass times of specific heat capacity, as हमसे बोला है heat capacity जो है same है, times of theta minus theta 2, as colder body का जो टेम्परेचर होगा वो कम होगा और रिजल्टेंट टेम्परेचर अब ज़्यादा होगा, तो हम इसको थीटा माइनस थीटा 2 लिखेंगे. ऑन सॉल्विंग specific heat capacity and mass cancel each other, and it comes out to be theta 1 minus theta is equals to theta minus theta 2. So the minus theta 2 goes on left hand side, it becomes plus theta 2, and we write theta 1 as it is, and on the left hand side the minus theta goes to the right hand side and it becomes theta plus theta. So it will be theta 1 plus theta 2 is equals to 2 theta, and the theta is equals to theta 1 plus theta 2 divided by 2. This is our answer, and the options A and C are same. So let's make A different by placing minus with plus, and this is our answer. I hope you understand this question well. Thank you.